Hello everyone, my name is Ram. This is Buzzyfields Devlog number 5. I will show gameplay, recipe table improvements, and talk some software design for the task system. But first, fall is here and we need to clean up the garden and plant the garlic. Most of the basic feature of the gameplay is complete. We can now plant crops, harvest them, and craft various recipes. Here I buy a few chicken, craft some basic animal feed, feed my chicken, and then collect the eggs. I can also get some cows, collect the milk, and process the raw milk into cream and milk. Since Buzzyfield is a management game, there is a lot of information to display and it needs to be clean. I did a lot of tedious but necessary work to improve the recipe table. I added multi-line support for rows that do not fit on one line. It is now possible to have some columns that do not sort. The filtering now includes the ingredients column as well. And I improved the recipe details and results display. The creation and execution of tasks is one of the most complex part of programming this game. In a simple case, pressing the feed button on the interface would be connected directly to the animal object. It would change the hunger of the animals and remove some animal feed from the inventory. However, to make the game interesting, I introduced the concept of tasks. It takes a certain amount of time and energy to accomplish a task. What makes it more difficult to implement is that certain things need to happen when a task starts, when it is updated, and when it completes. This is an abstract drawing of the game structure. At the higher level, there is the game object. It has an inventory, animals, and a tasker. The tasker is responsible to create new tasks and manage them. When we press the feed button, the tasker creates a task. When it starts, it removes some energy and some animal feed. Then the game updates the task, and when it completes, the animal hunger gets set to 0. One of the main goals of the game will be to get experience perks, invest in tools and upgrades to reduce the time and energy associated with every task on the farm. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, have a good day, and leave a comment to let me know what you think.